Hello dear students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, in my previous video, I have started the new topic that is given in English grammar book. The topic is more on describing word. Okay, so in my previous video, I have already told you that what is describing word, and we have also solved some exercises of that chapter. So in today's video, I'm going to explain the next remaining exercises of chapter number 5. So first of all, you all take your Tune into Grammar book. So dear student, open chapter number 5, that is more on describing word, which is given on page number 30, and we have learned that describing words are also used to describe a person, and we have learned some exercises. Okay, so one more time I'm going to repeat this again. You have to revise it. So student, in describing word we have learned that I like sweet candies, I cannot lift the heavy bag, this is an empty box, it is a prickly cactus, I had fresh fruits in the morning. So the words sweet, heavy, empty, prickly and fresh are describing words. Okay, and they describe the naming word, that is candies, bag, box, cactus and fruits. Okay, and there is one more things that we have learned, that is describing words are also used to describe a person. See how the example that follow. Here are some given example for you, so you should learn it. That is, now read these words. What is that? So young, it is describe a person. Young, beautiful, tall, short, intelligent, naughty, pretty, brave, careless, kind, happy, lazy, lovely, loving and polite. So words like young, beautiful, tall and short help to describe a person, looks and qualities. They are also describing words. Okay student, and we have solved this given exercise in our previous video. So one more time we're going to recheck again. That is, read these sentences, underline the describing words. Okay, so first of all, in number 1, I am reading a good book. So here we have to underline the word, that is good. It is a describing word. In number 2, my house has a large gate. So the given describing word is large. In number 3, I like crispy cookies. So here is the given describing word is crispy. In number 4, I want some cold water. So cold is a describing word. In number 5, I love pink cupcakes. So pink is a describing word. In number 6, what a lovely day. So here is the lovely is a describing word. In number 7, Lena has long hair. So long is a describing word. In number 8, my mother likes yellow flowers. So yellow is a describing word. In number 9, my kind sister helped me pack my bag. So here is the given describing word is kind. So we have to underline it. Okay student. Now the next is number 10. In number 10, there is a we should eat healthy food every day. So the given word healthy is a describing word. In number 11, there was bright light coming from the windows. So the word bright is a describing word. In number 12, please have some hot soup. So hot is a describing word. In number 13, her father drives a fast car. So fast is a describing word. In number 14, where is my blue shirt? So here the describing word is blue. So we have to underline it. And number 15, there is the house has a strong wall. So the strong is a describing word. So like this we have to underline the describing word in this given sentence. Okay, now we moving to the next. It's completed of this exercises. So now we moving to the next, that is there is a many more examples we have to learn and after that complete. Okay, so there is my mother is wearing a green sari. The boy is flying a yellow kite. My mother is wearing a green sari. The boy is flying a yellow kite. Sita has 5 dolls. I have 6 pencil and 2 eraser. So here is the given word. Red, blue, green and yellow are the names of colors. 5, 6 and 2 are numbers. So both colors and numbers tell us more about naming words. They are also describing word. Okay. So let's do the next. That is, encircle the describing word. It is the next exercise that is given. So first of all, we have to learn that red, blue, green and yellow are the names of color. It means The name of color is also describing word, and the name of number is a describing word. The both colors and the numbers tell us more about naming words, so they are also describing words. So in this next exercise we have to encircle the describing word. So let's do the given exercise. So first of all, there is a Lipika has brown hair. Lipika has brown hair. So student, as you all learn that brown is a color name, and we have learned that color's name is also known as a describing word. So the brown is a describing word, so we have to encircle it. Okay. In second, Tara is eating a green apple. So again there is a color green, so we have to underline, we have to circle it. Now in third, I gave 2 toffees to Ram. So we have learned that there is a number is also known as a describing word. So here is the given number is 2, so we have to circle it. Now in number 4, Nina is wearing a pink frock. So here is the color is pink, so we have to circle it. Asu has 6 toys, so we have to circle the given number, that is 6. In number 6, we wore a blue uniform to school. So here is the given color name is blue, so we have to circle it. Now the next, in number 7, there are 2 books on the table. So the number is 2, so we have to circle it. Now the next, in number 8, Usa buys red bangles from the shop. So given color is a red. It is example of describing word. Now next is number 9. There were 7 cows in the shed. So the number is 7. So we have to underline it. We have to circle it. Okay. Now the next, number 10 is Malika has a pair of blue earrings. Malika has a pair of blue earrings. So the given color name is blue. So it is a describing word. So we have to circle it. Now the next, number 11. The white dog is bigger than the brown dog. Okay student. The sentence is the white dog is bigger than the brown dog. So here in this given sentence there is a 3 describing word. First is white, so we have to circle it. Now the bigger, and third one is brown. So like this we have to circle the given color name and shapes. Okay. So in 12, come to the 12th. Please give me 3 boiled eggs. Please give me 3 boiled eggs. So here is the given describing word is 3. So we have to circle it. So like this we have to complete this exercise of this chapter. Now we moving to the next exercise. We have completed this exercise. So we have to turn the next. That is exercise A. Okay student, that is exercise A. So let's do the given exercise A. What will we do in this given exercise? So we have to fill in the blanks. In this exercise, fill in the blanks. Use describing words from the box. Student, the words are given in the box. We have to choose the correct words according to the sentence, and after that write down on the blanks and complete the given sentence. Okay. So we have to fill in the blanks and use describing word from the box. So let's do the given exercise. So first of all, there is a number 1. Sheila has dash hair. So which describing word we have write on the given blanks? So student, we have write here long. In number 1 we have to write here long. L-O-N-G, long. Okay. In second, my uncle has a dash car. Which color of car? So student, we have to write here blue. B-L-U-E, blue. My uncle has a blue car. Okay, my uncle has a blue car. In number 1 we have to write long. In number 2 we have to write blue. In third, it is a dash day. Which type of day? So we have to write here sunny day. Okay, we have to write here sunny. Now the next, number 4. My mother wore a dash sari. My mother wore a dash sari. So on the given blanks we have to write yellow. We have to write here yellow. My mother wore a yellow sari. Now the next, number 5. The dash man smiled at me. So we have to write here the happy man smiled at me. Number 6. I have dash pens. So tell me how many pens are here. So here are 2 pens. So we have to write here 2. Okay. We have to write on number 6 2. Now the next, number 7. The children are playing in a dash park. So student, the children are playing in a green park. Okay. So we have to write here green on the given blank. Now the next, Rasi's father is a dash man. So Rasi's father is a young man. So we have to write on given number 8 blanks young. Okay student. Now the next number 9. Asok is a dash boy. He is always sleeping. So Asok is the lazy boy. Student, we have to write here lazy. That is given on box, that is lazy. So we have to note down the spelling of lazy on the given blanks. So like this we have to complete 1 to 9. Now moving to the next, that is number 10. So in number 10, children are fun to play. Here we have to write wealthy. Wealthy children are fun to play with. Okay, so here we have to write wealthy, that is number 10. Now next, number 11, there are dash student in our class. So we have to write here 30. We have to write here 30 student in our class. And last one is 12. They all wear dash uniform. So we have to write here neat, N-E-A-T, neat. So like this we have to complete this all exercise of chapter number 5. Okay student, I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this given exercise. Now there is a next exercise. This is the last exercise of this chapter. In this exercise, what will we do? So fill in the blanks to describe your friend. Student, it's a homework for you. You have to do this given exercise. Okay. So in this exercise, you have to describe your friend. Okay. So first of all, what will you write? So in the given blanks, you have to write your friend's name, and after that you have to write here your friend name, and after that you have to write here my best friend. Okay, best. Now the next, if your friend is girl, so you have to use she. If your friend is boy, so you have to take he. Okay, you have to choose one. If your friend is girl, so you have to choose she. If your friend is boy, so you have to choose he. He is a dash years old. So you have to note down his or her age. Now the next, number 3, she or he study in class. So you have to note down his or her class. Now the next, number 4, she or he has dash hair and dash eyes. So you have to note down his or her hair strength and color. Okay. Now the next, number 5, she or he has a dash smile. Which type of smile she has? So you have to note down cute. She or he has a cute smile or lovely smile, whatever you want to write. Okay student, so this is homework for you. You have to complete this given exercise. So that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this given exercise in your notebook, and after that you have to note down this exercise in your notebook. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.